Tourism cruise ships have arrived on the shores of Milne Bay Province to visit the culturally diversified island province at the tip of Papua New Guinea. Minister for Tourism, Arts and Culture, E.C. Henry Leonard, made this statement and elaborated on this during a keynote address at the launching of the Samurai Murua Island Song, Music and Dance Festival.
Cruise ship tourism has come in a very, very tremendous way, never experienced before. After we have lifted the COVID-19 restrictions in Alotau, more cruise ships are coming and more cruise ship tourists are now visiting Papua New Guinea.
Minister Leonard, in a recent visit to Alotau, shared his observation on the impact of tourism culture.
A few days ago in Alotau, and I was surprised to see that some of our people in Alotau, they had American dollar bills. They had $50, $20, $10, $2. And I asked them, where did you get those monies from? From tourists. They were buying services and goods in Alotau using US dollar.
He said it is of the ministry's agenda to promote culture by going rural.
As Mr. Leonard has already mentioned, we want to engage with the provinces and we want to go rural. And as we go rural, we promote our culture. And this is exactly what we are doing. For me, when I took on the responsibility of becoming the Minister for Art, Culture and Tourism, I took the challenge that we must go rural.
The Executive Director of the National Cultural Commission, Stephen Kilanda, added on this.
But when Minister took office, he said that we have to go rural. So we have registered around about 85 festivals around the country. Most of them are based in the rural settings. We have went to Lugu, Minister and I went to Lugu. We have been to Bali Island in Western Province. We have been to Mundi in Malay Province. We have been to Ned Lema in border of Area and Civic. We have been to Guinea in Eastern Islands Province. We have been to all rural areas across this nation.
Grace Papiali, National EMTV News.